Hello, guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And let's start this wonderful day with the wonderful question. So, your interview type question for practice. This is question number 20, Art of Cell Biology. So, many adult tissues contain terminally differentiated cells that are incapable of proliferation. How can these tissues repair damage? In short, I can ask, like sitting in the panel, we know that in the adults, we don't have the good amount of stem cells, but how the tissues or the cells are getting repaired. So आप इसको कैसे explain करेंगे? So if you guys are watching the lecture series of the cell death and cell renewal, in that, like for example, let us talk about the epithelial cell. Like I have always said, whenever you want to justify your answer, always take one example. Okay. So let us take the epithelial cells. In fact, let's talk about the intestine. Okay. So in the intestine, all these epithelial lining are there. Correct. So these cells are present over here. And as already mentioned that they're always in exposure with the harsh conditions, right? Because so many things we eat, the acids, etc. So what happens is that they get damaged and they are actually shed off very routinely. But at the crypt of these, so at the crypt of these basal lamina, you have got the stem cells. So these stem cells are able to maintain and proliferate whenever the tissues are getting shed off from the regions. So these stem cells are actually helping in the proliferation. So they are able to retain that ability to proliferate and also replace the differentiated cells. So जैसे जैसे यहाँ पे stem cells रहेगा, जो भी आपको cells जहाँ पे भी loss होते हैं वो बनते जाएंगे and they are going to push upwards because these are actually in the direct touch with the environmental harsh conditions. ठीक है? So they are in the touch. So when they are actually getting damaged, so they will be removed. And at the base, you have got the stem cells. So they will be producing, proliferating, and they will be pushed upwards. So इस तरह से क्या होगा आपके हमेशा जो differentiated cells हैं वो आपके replace होते रहेंगे. So इस तरह से जितने भी damage रहेंगे that is being repaired by these stem cells. So ये example हो गया in the case of the intestine. Similarly, we have got the skin also, the skeletal tissues also, etc. So you can just take one of the example and explain कि आप कैसे कर सकते हो. So even though we are adults, we still have certain stem cells, and you can also talk about the transit amplifying cells. So वो थोड़ा added benefit हो जाएगा, ठीक है? So here I'll एक छोटा सा assignment like what do you mean by transit amplifying cells? ये आपका छोटा सा assignment हो गया, ठीक है? So ये आपको पढ़ना है क्या है इसके बारे में. So just make short notes also and please keep in the side. जब भी आप सोने जा रहे हो तो जो भी आपने short notes आज के दिन में बनाए हैं just go through once. So before sleeping, if you do this thing, a quick revision, it is going to help in building the long-term memory. So that's how you're going to crack your exams. Take care, guys. Thank you.